Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail app not working properly on your device. So to start, close Gmail app and go to your phone settings. Next, once you open settings, go to Wi-Fi and see if you're connected to a stable internet. You can also turn it off and turn it back on after 10 seconds to refresh it. You can also use your mobile data. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or from data to Wi-Fi. Now let's go back to the main page. Scroll down and go to General. Next, go to iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and look for Gmail app. Tap on it. Now, if you see the offload app button, just tap on that, and once done, tap on reinstall app and it will reinstall the app again. Now, once done, close settings and reopen Gmail app and see if that solves your problem. Another method you can try is to uninstall the app. So press and hold Gmail app and tap on remove app, then tap on delete app. So in order to delete Gmail, you need to select another mail app as your default. So tap on go to settings, tap on email. You can switch to mail. After that, close settings and press and hold the Gmail app again. Tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and tap on delete. Now let's install it again. Go to App Store, click the search bar and search for Gmail. Open it and click the cloud icon to install Gmail again. So just wait for it to finish. And once installed, you can log back in and check if that solves your problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.